Virgo, song that's playing for you is Fight Me. All right, Virgo, what you got going on? Yeah, come on, Virgo. Come on, Virgo. I'm like, you want to fight somebody or somebody want to fight you? Look, Tower on the splits. Tower, Five of Swords in reverse. You don't want to give something up in regards to something that has ended or an investment you've made that has fallen. And you may be ready to fight about this. Or somebody ready to fight you because something ended. And they not ready for something to end. You feel me? I think I can find it. Well, you don't have to let me know, Virgo. Virgo. I thought we was going somewhere from the last one. You feel me? Brighter days, Virgo. What happened to brighter days? I'm about tired of reading some of this shit, bro. Like, alright, see, there we go. Brighter days. Virgo, you may be dealing with an Aquarius. You don't gotta be, though. You healing something. And because you healing something, you're going to be put in a position to heal the people, places, and things around you. Now, you called judgment on a situation, and that judgment has brought a tower to a situation. And it's like you calling the judgment or you making the judgment on some situation has brought a tower in regards to what? You may become defensive towards, let's say, look, you're taking control now. Okay, there you go, Virgo. See, y'all threw me for a loop. So that was probably the space y'all used to be in. But you're expressing yourself in regards to something now. You're communicating, Virgo, in regards to something, a space you're in to see whether you're dealing with somebody or you're just expressing and communicating your ideas and your mentality now. You feel me? And that's that's healing something. Yeah, look, you stopped working on something. Yeah, look, you pulled back from, you pulled back from something. You withdrew. You with the swiftness. You was like, I don't want to do this anymore. And it's like something you were invested in. You may have been working on something for a very long time. Whether you were in a space for a long time or a mentality. You hung out with a friend group or a social circle. You feel me? But you walking away made a hurt a situation. Whether you broke up with somebody or you just dropped something because you got a new perspective. You see something differently now. And you seen what you needed to see in regards to something just enough to help you make a decision that I don't want to do it. Nah, I ain't passionate about this action no more. I ain't gonna know. See, you started expressing your truth in regards to a situation. Now you healing. And because you're healing, you can heal your environment. Your environment is healing. Your reality is healing because you're healing. You feel me? You're getting your orbit back. You're getting your groove back in some way, shape, or form, Virgo. Yeah, now this could be you being defensive towards people, places, and things outside of you, or someone is defensive towards you now. Or look, because the song was Fight Night. See, someone may be in defense mode because of you. You feel me? Because it's like you separating from something, put someone in defense mode in regards to a situation. So whether they're defensive towards you or you're defensive towards someone outside of you. Look, there's some heartbreak in the situation. Whether you express something, how you said you don't want to do it no more, how you quit your job was the way. Now it's like the company kind of worried. They put a picture of you at the front desk, kiosk type situation. You feel me? Cause how you express it's not the fact that you said you don't want to work there no more. It's how you said you don't want to work there no more. You feel me? There's the issue. Now somebody defensive towards you. Shit, you might have stirred some shit up there, Virgo. Yeah, look what fell out sideways. In regards to some secrets. Okay. So Virgo was like, yeah, it's like, yeah, you almost holding someone's secrets. So now they defensive. It's sideways now. It was clear sideways. I can't even give you an either or. So it's like, if this is someone outside of you, it's like, will they tell my secrets? Will they not tell my secrets? I gotta be defensive toward Virgo now. Cause what they said, I don't like how Virgo said what Virgo said in regards to a situation they wanted to end. You feel me? You ain't had to end it like that, Virgo. You could have just said no, but you broke someone's heart. Now they worried if you gonna tell some dirt. Or they just trying to figure they want to speak in regards to some situation with you, Virgo. Because someone defensive towards you now. So whether they defensive in defense mode or defensive in attack mode, you feel me? Whether they gonna speak on some shit or not speak on some shit. And how they speak on some shit determine the outcome of a situation. Or how you speak on some shit in regards to a situation. You feel me? Finally Rich is the song that's playing. Shit, look, I'm telling you, you healing. So look, you ran into a couple funds. You feel me? What you got going on, Virgo? You know what's so good? Yeah, look, now someone may want to bring you, it's like, if you defensive, yeah, what the fuck did you do? You said something or did something to someone. Hey, that shit stressing the motherfucker out. They worried in regards to something, Virgo. I don't know what you shook up, what you said. You may be dealing with a Sagittarius. You don't gotta be dealing with a Sagittarius. But you know how you feel in regards to a situation. You out your head and you know what the burden is, or in regards to a burden. So it's like you seeing clearly that something is a burden. You gave the burden back to the burden owner, or you just removed yourself from the burden. Now the burden may want to come bring you an emotional offer because the burden see that you defensive towards the burden and you harbor all the burden secrets. You feel me? So the burden don't want the secrets to leak. So now I got to come bring you some type of emotions. But Virgo's already healing what Virgo got going on, as well as Virgo not working on anything that's related to that space anymore. Or this is you being defensive towards someone because of some clarity, and you want to bring your emotions to someone or invest in something. It's like you're putting yourself back in the space because you're in the space of healing. You stopped working on one thing. You're defensive because you became aware of some secrets. Now, how'd you take those secrets all depends on the Virgo. Was it good secrets? Was it bad secrets? Did it fuck you? The mind is a beautiful thing when you know how to use it. So you could take a negative and flip it to a positive mentally and learn something from it, and now put you like you are back in the space to receive emotions from external things or people, places, and things outside of you. You feel me? Whether it's emotional ideas from the 4th, 5th, 6th dimensional realm, or feelings or emotional based ideas from people, places, and things outside of you. You don't have to let me know. It was all part of God's plan though, so you ain't really got no much control outside of here. Yeah, but I'm telling you, someone is unbounded. It could be you, but I'm getting the sense someone want to try to come bring you feelings and emotions in order to get you. It's like to get you to invest again. Because now someone outside of you is unbalanced. Whatever you stopped investing in, whatever you stopped giving energy, and became defensive towards him because of some secrets that are hidden or not hidden. You're going to have to let me know good secrets or bad secrets. That all depends on the Virgo. And these secrets carry a lot. It's a lot. The moon. A lot of emotion is carried these secrets. You feel me? These secrets sink the Titanic type shit. You did it. And that's making someone outside of you. If you're defensive towards a space, then it's a space of a mentality, feelings or emotions or a person. That's making someone outside of you unbalanced because you're defensive. You feel me? And now they're confused emotionally in regards to what feelings to bring you, because there's a conflict because of an ending. You became, I'm telling you. You stop celebrating some sort of feelings or emotions with a friend, a coworker, someone. And you said, I don't want to work on some shit no more. Wait, where'd it go? Did I put it back? Oh, no, it's right here. I don't want to work on something no more. Ending a celebration. You became defensive towards this situation here. Once upon a time, you were celebrating all these secrets, all these emotions, all these feelings, but you're not doing that no more. You're defensive, and your defensive is putting someone in conflict outside of you because they don't know what feelings to bring you in order to get you to reinvest, in order to confuse you again. You feel me? So now they're confused. It's like you gave someone back their bullshit. As I say that, I split it in 10 of wands and an ace of wands. You feel me? You gave someone back their bullshit and now they're stressed because of the unbalance, and you may know something. And what you may know, I don't know what you know, but damn, you feel me? I'ma fuck with you though.